In today's video, I'll show you how to use Facebook Marketplace so you can easily buy and sell items in your local area. First, open your Facebook app. Next, click the Marketplace or Shop icon located at the bottom center of the screen. Before browsing items, you need to set your location. Tap your profile icon, then scroll down and click Location. A permission message may appear. Tap Allow once to enable location access. You can now customize your local search radius, then click Apply to save your settings. Now go back to Marketplace to start browsing items. If you want to buy an item, simply click the item you're interested in. Then click Make Offer or send the seller a message to ask questions. If you want to sell an item, click your profile icon again and select your listings. Next, click Create Listing and choose whether you want to sell one item, a vehicle, or a home for sale or rent. After that, fill in the required information such as the item details, price, and photos. Then click Publish. And that's it. That's how you use Facebook Marketplace.